Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best HDTV antennas available on the market, the URIIU Indoor-Outdoor TV Antenna. If you're looking to cut down on those hefty cable bills while still enjoying crystal-clear HD channels, you're in the right place. This antenna boasts an impressive 1,000-mile range, equipped with advanced signal amplifiers and the latest chip technology to ensure that you receive a wide array of channels with a stable signal. No more pixelation or frustrating dropouts during your favorite shows. Installing this antenna is a breeze. URIIU has simplified the setup process to make it user-friendly. All you need to do is connect the coaxial cable, and you're good to go. The antenna comes with a detailed manual to guide you through the installation, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no trouble getting started. Once it's set up, you can enjoy free full HD channels. Whether it's local news, sports, or your favorite series, the URIIU antenna has you covered. And since it supports 4K and 1080p resolutions, you can enjoy your content in stunning quality without the monthly fees. This antenna also features two operational modes. If you're within 35 miles of a broadcasting tower, the short-range mode ensures optimal performance. For those farther out, the long-range mode kicks in, helping you to pull in as many channels as possible. This flexibility means you can tailor the antenna's performance to your specific location. Now, let's talk about build quality. The URIIU antenna is designed to withstand various weather conditions if you decide to mount it outdoors. Its durable construction makes it an excellent option for those who want to place it outside for enhanced reception. The antenna also includes a built-in signal booster, which amplifies weak signals, ensuring that you get the best picture quality possible. This is especially useful in areas where reception can be spotty. To wrap it up, the URIIU Indoor-Outdoor TV Antenna is not just another product. It's a solution for anyone wanting to enjoy high-definition television without breaking the bank. With its impressive range, ease of installation, and robust performance, it truly stands out in the crowded antenna market. If you're ready to make the switch and experience the freedom of antenna TV, check out the link in the description below to grab your URIIU antenna today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.